Namaste everyone. Today we will discuss about mudras. Mudras are certain hand gestures that we perform in yoga and also in dance that can alter our mood, perception, emotions and also our thinking patterns. So in yoga there are three different types of mudras designed according to the five elements of our body. The five elements of our body are fire, air, space, earth and water. So among these we will discuss about the three elements that is associated to different types of mudras. First, Prithvi Mudra. How to perform Prithvi Mudra? When we join the tip of the ring finger with the tip of the thumb, the other three fingers should be straight. Prithvi Mudra is said to reduce all the physical weaknesses from our body. It also helps to increase weight for weak people and helps to increase the complexion of skin. And you can practice Prithvi Mudra anywhere, wherever you have time, either by sitting, standing or lying on bed. Second comes Varun Mudra, which is also known as Mudra of water. Varun Mudra can be practiced when we join the tip of the little finger with the tip of the thumb, the other three fingers stretched out. So Varun Mudra helps to regulate the water content in our body and helps to prevent all the gastrointestinal diseases that comes due to lack of water. It also helps to reduce the muscle shrinkage and keeps our body in shape. So you can practice this again anywhere and wherever you have time. Third, Vayu Mudra. Vayu Mudra can be practiced when we fold our index finger, keeping our thumb on the base of the index finger. The other three fingers should be straight. Vayu Mudra prevents all the diseases that comes due to the imbalance of air element in our body. Practicing Vayu Mudra for 45 minutes reduces all the severity of the diseases that comes due to the imbalance of air element inside our body. It also helps to cure gout, that is a painful inflammatory arthritis that is caused by too much of uric acid buildup in our body, and also helps to cure like Parkinson's disease, that is a kind of neurological disorder that is caused due to the when our dopamine cells that are being killed, and dopamine is not properly formed inside our brain. So because of that, all these kinds of neurological diseases are also formed. So when we practice this mudra, it can help to cure our neurological disorders. It also helps to prevent like cervical spondylitis, paralysis to face, and also gastric related problems. Cervical spondylitis, as we know, it is a problem that happens at the back of the neck. So all these problems can be cured with the practice of Vayu Mudra. Namaste, Param Shanti.